Hello everyone and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. In this video, we will show you how to activate or install Express products. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a document open with a solid body. Okay, just a part with a solid body. This is very important because if we don't have a solid body, we won't be able to see the full list of products. Okay, so we go to Tools, Express Products, and then we will see the list. Okay, so we have SimulationXpress, DriveWorksXpress, FloXpress. In this case, for this video, I will be installing SimulationXpress, which is like an entry-level SolidWorks simulation. So we go ahead and click SimulationXpress, and we will see this dialog. This dialog, we will see a link there. This is very important. You just have to click that link. Okay, once there, we just click continue, and we will click login. So we will log in with our SolidWorks customer portal credentials. Okay, if you don't have a customer portal, you have to create one. So we just click login, and then we will have a code. This code, we just have to copy the code, go back to SolidWorks, paste it, okay, and click OK. And that's it. Now we just have the wizard for SolidWorks SimulationXpress. That's pretty much it. Thank you for joining us and see you in the next Tech Tip Tuesday.